Hello, welcome back to this channel. We all are aware that coronavirus is spreading all over the world. So there is a need to know about the knowledge that what it is, how it's spreading and what are the precautions we have to take. Right? What are the stigmas are there in the mind of the people. So in this session, Mr. Shoaib sir, who is an assistant professor in medical surgical department, he will hear and he will share about the data. Be with us. Start.
Hello everybody, I am Shoaib Khokar, Department of Medical Surgical Nursing, and today as the pandemic of coronavirus is going on, we all are aware about it to some extent, but we must know, we should learn more about it. So what do you understand by the coronavirus? What you all have the general ideas as the pandemic is going on, it's been 6 months now. So what do you understand by the coronavirus? So coronavirus is a large family of the virus. It may affect both animals and human beings. In humans, several coronaviruses are known to cause respiratory infections, ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases like Middle Eastern Respiratory Syndrome, MERS, which we say, and the Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, SARS, which was one of the pandemic few years back. The most recent discovered coronavirus causes coronavirus disease, COVID-19. What it is generally known now, COVID-19, coronavirus disease 19. Yes. So what is COVID-19? It is the infectious disease caused by most recently discovered coronavirus, which was discovered in the China. Then this new virus and disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China, in December 2019. We all know the general symptoms of the COVID-19. The general symptoms are fatigue, malaise, cold, dry cough, high fever. Yes, these are the symptoms. So I'll let you know some symptoms. Symptoms of COVID-19 are, the most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever. The fever is high, it may exceed up to above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Tiredness and dry cough will be there. Some patients may have aches and pains in the body. Nasal congestion would be there, and runny nose, sore throat, and the GI symptoms will be diarrhea and nausea, vomiting sometimes. These symptoms are usually mild and begin gradually. Some people become infected but don't develop any symptoms and don't feel unwell. Most people, about 80% of them, recover from the disease without needing any special medical treatment. Around 1 out of every 6 people who gets COVID-19 becomes seriously ill and develops difficulty in breathing. Older people, the geriatric ones, are more prone for getting critical and crucial. The older people are those with underlying medical problems like high blood pressure, heart problems, and diabetes, or more likely to develop serious illnesses. People with fever, cough, difficulty in breathing should seek the emergency medical attention. So how does COVID-19 spread? We all know that it is a pandemic disease and it is a more contagious disease. People can catch COVID-19 from others who have the virus. The disease can spread from person to person through small droplets from the nose or mouth, which are spread when a person with COVID-19 coughs or exhales. This droplet land on the objects and surfaces around the people. Other people then catch COVID-19 by touching these objects or surfaces, then touching their eyes, nose or mouth. People can also catch COVID-19 if they breathe in the droplets from a person who is infected from COVID-19, who coughs or exhales the droplets. This is why it is important to stay more than 1 meter or 3 feet away from a person who is sick. Can the virus that cause COVID-19 be transmitted through the air? That's a question. We all got to know about it. So studies to date suggest that the virus that causes COVID-19 is mainly transmitted through contact with the respiratory droplet. So how can we protect ourselves? What can we do to protect ourselves and prevent the spread of the disease? Protection measures for everybody. Stay aware of the latest information on the COVID-19 outbreak. We have to be aware, we have to know that about the latest informations and the updates about the COVID-19 available on the national, state and local public authority, health authority. Many countries around the world have seen cases of COVID-19. and several have seen the outbreaks. Authorities in China and some other countries have succeeded in slowing or stopping their outbreaks. However, the situation is unpredictable, so check regularly for the latest news about the COVID-19. You can reduce your chances of being infected or spreading the COVID-19 by taking some simple precautions. Regularly and thoroughly clean your hands with an alcohol-based hand rub or wash them with soap and water. Why? Washing your hands with soap and water or using alcohol-based hand rub kills the viruses that may be on your hands. So I'll show you how to wash the hands. You have to remember the Suman K. Okay, S-U-M-A-N-K, Suman K you have to remember. So this is very simple. Suman, so S stands for Seedha, S stands for Seedha, U stands for Ulta, like this. M stands for Muthi. You have to remember this in our own language. A stands for Angutha. And N stands for the knuckles, nails, like this. And the last one is K, which stands for Kalai. Remember? So you have to remember Suman K. Again I'll repeat, Suman K for the hand washing steps. S stands for Seedha, Ulta, Muthi, Angutha, nails, and Kalai. Suman K. So this is how you have to wash your hands. It don't take too much time. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and anyone who is cupped apart. Why? When someone coughs or sneezes, they spray small liquid droplets, aerosol type droplets from the nose or mouth, which may contain virus. If you are too close, you can breathe in the droplets, including the COVID-19 virus if the person is coughing, which have the disease. Avoid touching the eyes. Again and again you have to stop now this, you have to make a lifestyle change in this. You have to stop touching your eyes, you have to stop touching your nose and the mouth. Why? Because hands touch too many surfaces daily. We come in contact with too many surfaces daily. We never know that what surface is having the coronavirus colonization. So we may touch that, and again with the same hand we may touch the eyes and all. So it may be a spread, a cause of spread. So hands can transfer the virus to eyes, nose or mouth. From there the virus can enter your body and you may get sick. Make sure you and the people around you follow good respiratory hygiene. You have to practice a good respiratory hygiene by putting on the mask in spreading. This means covering your mouth and nose which you bend elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. Then dispose of the used tissue immediately. Whenever you use a tissue to wipe the sneeze or cough, and you have to dispose it immediately as soon as possible. Droplets spread virus. By following good respiratory hygiene, you protect the people around you from virus such as cold, flu and COVID-19. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you are feeling unwell, if you are feeling sick, you are not feeling well, you have to stay home and not roam outside, not go outside. Okay? So that you can prevent the spread of the virus in the society. Keep up to date with the latest COVID-19 hotspots, and you have to be up to date with the knowledge and about the COVID-19 spread. That's how that may be a preventive measurement for the spread of the virus.